Welcome to Coach Purity Daily. My name is Purity Wako, a nutritionist, a health and life coach, also the CEO of KweraBITS. Welcome back to our quality sleep episodes. Exercise is one of the best science-backed ways to improve your sleep and health. And today we are talking about exercise. It enhances sleep and reduces symptoms of insomnia. Exercise also helps reduce anxiety, which helps one to get quality sleep. Although daily exercise is key, like we have already discussed, performing it too late in the evening is not good. So it's best that it's done in the morning, because when you exercise, it increases alertness. So you cannot sleep well if you exercise in the night. So it is best that you exercise during the day or in the morning. That will give you perfect results. It will improve your health, it will improve your sleep. Thank you so much. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell so that you do not miss any of our videos.